Oh, do you want to learn how to drive traffic like this? No dancing required, but it's up to you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about making money using TikTok. I know if you're anything like me, you probably cringe at the idea of just TikTok by itself. But if you're a real marketer, then you can see the opportunity that's in this platform. Now, TikTok is a fairly new platform which can generate you free traffic, free leads, and that can turn into sales. Now, I myself made a TikTok account 2 weeks ago, and I already have way more views and way more followers than I did in my first 2 weeks when I started my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how people are getting thousands of views and having hundreds and $1,000 days that just started on TikTok not too long ago and they don't have a huge social media following, then you're going to want to check this out. Right now, for only $1, you can learn how to generate hundreds of free leads per day with the new product called, wait for it, 15-second free leads. This course is worth way more than $1, and if you're somebody who's trying to build a brand, build a business, then TikTok is the easiest platform to do this on right now. Now, this platform is still relatively new as compared to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Whereas with those platforms, it's pretty hard to start building up an audience and start building up a following with those platforms. So click the link in the top of the description of this video to get access to the 15-second free leads for only $1. And hey, if you don't like it, if you don't think it's worth $1, you can get your money back and use that dollar to buy a cup of coffee. Wait, no, that's not $1. Maybe a bag of chips? But if you're somebody who's serious about growing your brand and growing your business, it's worth way more than $1. So go to the link in the top of the description of this video. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.